So here we go. Anybody who buys pig ears for their dog, they know how expensive those can be. You're going to pay roughly about $2.50 a piece retail. I found these on Amazon for 100 pieces for $99. So let's see if it was actually worth making this purchase. Well, this is how the box arrived to me, and again, on Amazon there's been a lot of different reviews on these types of bulk pig ear packages. Some of them say that all you're going to get is a bunch of pieces, a bunch of strips, and some of them occasionally say that you will actually get whole pig ears. So let's find out what came in the box. So we'll go ahead and get this open. Slice the tape on that end, slice the tape on this end, and of course, right down the middle. The knife away so I don't hurt myself, and we will open this up. So what do we have? We've got what appears to be a very large bag of pig ears, which is essentially what I ordered. And there is a second bag here in the bottom. So I'm assuming there's probably about 50 pig ears per bag, and that's probably how they normally sell them. Okay, let's take a look inside. Did we get pieces or did we get whole ears? Well, it would appear that each and every one of these is a complete whole pig ear. So despite what some of the reviews said about them being chopped up and only being strips, as you can clearly see, we've got complete pig ears. That means that I plan on having some very happy puppies. All different shades in here. I think that's just part of the smoking process, but there we go, or the preservation process. I'm not exactly sure how they do these things, but there we go. Pretty cool. I will zoom in, give you a little bit of a closer look here. So as you can see from a random sampling out of the bag here, it appears that all of these pig ears are, again, one piece, solid pig ears. The rumors are not accurate about them being chopped up strips. Again, this is about the same quality that you're going to get in your local supermarket, and at your local supermarket you're going to probably pay about $2.50 a piece for these. You're getting quite a deal for getting 100 of them for $99. As you saw, roughly $106 after tax. So essentially that's my review of the 100 pig ear purchase from Amazon. So far it looks like little Gypsy is going to be quite happy with this purchase, and her little brother ought to be happy as well. Hopefully you found this video informative, and if you did, well, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to leave a comment for me below, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.